Hello guys, today I'm playing Arsenal and I'm pretty new at it. So I'm going to join the red team, so I'm just going to wait a bit. For now I'll just join blue team. Okay. Spencer Carbine. That's pretty bad to me. Anybody here? Nobody's here. Okay, I'll just snipe here. And I'm just gonna... Where's the other people? Somebody right down. How I take here. Yeah. I'm pretty noob. I guess I'll just go charging. I am really noob. This is like my second time playing this. And this Arsenal, I'm like really horrible at it. I'll just go inside the house again. I'll just follow him. Ooh. Okay, I'm still dead. Okay, I think I'm just going to go to a spot where I almost killed somebody. Yeah, I hate this gun. This gun's like a shotgun, but shoots like one bullet. Ooh, nice. Wait, did I just get a hush puppy? Hush puppy? Weird, it's not a hush puppy. But this is pretty bad too. A colibri. How do you even say it? It's like so small in my hands. Did I kill him? At least got a critical hit. Okay, maybe not. Okay. So, if you're new to the channel, then be sure to subscribe to all my channels, which is in the I don't know what you call it, like my homepage. Yeah, it's like in the homepage. So, and also subscribe to Adam and Adam's channel. They do awesome sports channel. And of course, subscribe to me. And enjoy the video. Also, make sure to ring the bell. Is that a hacker or is this a copy? Oh, is it like a dead effect? Oh my god. I want a different weapon. I think this is all bad weapons. Wow. Dude, I can get any kills with this weapon. Oh, actually, this guy kill. I thought I did. Okay. No, I actually hate shotguns. And we gotta like be a little close, like that. To do that. I mean, both of them are like AFK. I got just like so many shotguns in this round. Where's the blue guy? Is there AFK? Probably here. I mean, I found lots of them here. Oh my god. Ooh, I actually killed somebody? That's weird. I have a Pathbringer. I pretty much hate that weapon too. These are all my least favorite weapons. Yeah. My least favorite weapons. Whatever. Maybe like next round will be like different. I'll shoot here even though maybe nobody's here. Is that my lasers? Oh, okay, just like actual lasers. Okay, cool, I guess. Nobody spawning here now. Okay, maybe not. Oof. Okay, I'm horrible at pistols and shotguns. Also snipers. Pistols, shotguns, and snipers are like my least favorite. Especially like Hush Puppy and stuff like that. I really don't know what to say. I mean, I'm just playing the game and I'm not saying anything. Well, place 12. I'm pretty sure there's like only 12 players in the game. Probably last place. I think I don't make glacier because I always fall down. So these are canals or high fly. I think maybe high fly and got rotations. Okay. Oh, glacier one. What is it? Gun rotation, yay. So cool. Just like gun kind of like with the cool scope. Anybody here? I killed somebody with that? Oh, okay, never mind. It's like every 10 seconds you get a switch. Nice. I guess this is cool, I guess. So I can like try out all the weapons. TP launcher. Does this teleport me? Boom. Wait, what? Whatever. Does this actually teleport me? Okay, never mind. I'll just play the game. Probably like, what does TP mean? I mean, don't need TP. I know it's like teleporting. Well, we get a different gun every like 10 seconds, so I guess that's fine. I hope I don't fall down. That'd be weird. Did I kill anybody? It's just that I have quicker shots. Oh my god. Yeah, I spawned inside of the tower. So, what's that? Okay, whatever. Okay. Shotgun, I cannot really shoot anybody from here. Oh no, somebody's attacking me from behind or something. Okay, whatever. Okay, I just got one wine to him and then shoot. Okay. Yes, one wine to him. I honestly thought that's gonna give me a new weapon, but is that whale gone? I think so. I'll snipe from here. Anybody here to snipe? Oh, right, another shotgun. This one's like my least favorite shotgun. I don't know why. I'm gonna climb the ladder. Up. Where's the enemies? That guy already killed them all. Oh, I see somebody right there. Oh, never mind. I almost fell. Oh, I could've get that guy. Well, ooh. You see how it only does like 12 damage, like close ranged? It's like weird. Oh well, at least I got another one. Dragon off. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, I'll just come this way. Authenticator. This is my second least favorite gun. Okay, well. Oh my god, I keep on forgetting that there's a sea like right in front of my spawn. And every time I have to cross this bridge to do it. Okay, nobody shoot me while I'm climbing. Cool. Nice. Oh my god, is it like shooting up here? Oof. A Luhar pistol. Don't really like it, but that's not like my least favorite, but still I don't like it. I think it will be probably bodyguard because I'm just like lots of sniping spots. I'll do Hecula because it's like it's also classical and it also have a boss fight. And since there's no classical, this one has Hecula. Ooh, I won. Okay, good weapons, good weapons. I hope there's good weapons. So what is it? Import A1 paratrooper. I don't remember this weapon. Oh, am I killing red? Oh, is it like you got to click, keep on clicking kind of weapon? Okay, my Uzi. I mean, in Conquer, Uzi's like really fast. Oh, okay. Rocket launchers. Okay, Victor and Surviv is really fast too. I mean, with good weapons, I can actually get some kills. With horrible weapons, I just no. This weapon, I mean, I'm like the fast weapon guy. I don't like slow weapons. Anybody here? Okay, these are all fast weapons. I love these. Oh, I did see that rocket launcher. Well, this is like a mini gun. I mean, I could get some kills with this. Let's see, is that somebody? Okay. What's this? A bow? Is that good? Okay, pretty bad. Oh my god, did I even... Wow. Wait, does bow instantly kill people? If so, then that actually might be nice. But still. I saw you have to like aim a bit up. For some reason. Oh my god, I can't do the bow. The bow's like slow too. I'm like the fast weapon guy, like really fast. I can't aim with like slow like shotguns or pistols. Red. Oh my god, he's like dodging everything. Did that? Oh my god. Oh, I need a kill with this. Plus, I'm really sleepy too. Like my sword. Nice! Oh my god, I literally just like... But finally I got a kill with the thing. Is that a pistol? I mean, I guess this is a bit better than the Hush Puppy or something. So I need a kill with the pistol. Please let me kill him. Don't steal my kill. Aw. Nice. What's this? Laser rifle? Oh no. Reload. Laser rifle I think I can do. It's pretty fast, I guess. Ooh, okay. Then that means I cannot snipe people with this. Okay. Oh my god, can I see people? I see rocket launchers. Oh my god. I can't see anything. That's kind of like the most horrible curse.